Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple findings, including hepatic masses, multiple hepatic masses with hepatic parenchymal disease, thick walled gallbladder, splenomegaly, and ascites. You can see the liver, and a large mass is seen in the lower portion of the right lobe of the liver. The mass measures about 5.1 centimeter into 4.9 centimeter. It is semi-solid to solid in consistency. No fluid is seen in or around it, and it has slightly heterogeneous echogenicity. Now you can see multiple masses are lying along with this large mass and dominantly in the right lobe of the liver. The masses have heterogeneous echogenicity. These are the masses. Hepatic masses are a diverged group of masses that include malignant and benign subtypes. Their presentation may vary from localizing sign symptoms such as jaundice and right upper quadrant pain to vague sign symptoms such as fatigue, weight loss, and anorexia. Many hepatic tumors are discovered incidentally on medical imaging studies. Moreover, the liver is a common site for the metastasis, and metastases to the liver are significantly more common than the primary liver tumors. Now you can see the left kidney and the spleen, and spleen is slightly mildly enlarged. You can see the spleen is slightly enlarged and measures about 13.6 centimeter in the long axis. The incidence of primary liver cancer is steadily increasing worldwide. Unlike most other causes of liver diseases, some causes are treatable and prognosis are excellent, but these hepatic masses may be malignant, and it is important to diagnose it before irreversible damage had occurred. The most common causes of cirrhosis, as you have seen in this case also, multiple hepatic masses are seen along with the hepatic parenchymal disease. And the most common causes of cirrhosis are hepatitis and other viruses, alcohol abuse, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and this happens due to metabolic syndrome and is caused by conditions such as obesity, high cholesterol and triglycerides, and high blood pressure. Now you can see the gallbladder is also thick-walled, as seen in most cases of the viral hepatitis. There is characteristic layering of the gallbladder walls. Most benign liver tumors do not cause symptoms and are found incidentally on abdominal studies such as an ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. It is important that benign tumors are not misdiagnosed. Your doctor may choose to follow the tumor with imaging studies to ensure that they have been diagnosed correctly. Now you can see the spleen is also enlarged, and lastly there is edema. You can see the ascites in the lower abdominal cavity. Ascites is also visible in the upper abdominal case, upper abdominal scanning in this case. Some liver masses symptoms are abdominal pain, weight loss, nausea, vomiting. Large mass can be felt in the upper right part of the abdomen, fever, jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes, persistent itching. Globally, the liver cancer is the third largest cause of cancer death after cancers of lungs and stomach. The highest incident of hepatocellular carcinoma HCC is in China, representing about 50% of HCC cases worldwide. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks. Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound